Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset this Philips device if you have forgotten your passcode or anything. So here you got the model of the phone. First step you want to do is of course turn off the device, take the battery out, put it back in, and then what you have to do is press and hold the power and the volume down button. If it doesn't work the first time, release them and press them again, so volume down and power button. And then you will see this Android. Once you see this image, you will have to press the volume up and the power button at the same time. If you don't press them at the same time, nothing will happen, but just keep tapping them until you hit them both, just like that. Now what you want to do is scroll down with the volume down button to where it says wipe data factory reset and press the power button. Now scroll down and select yes, and you will select it with the power button again, and as you can see it is formatting the device. Once it's done, just tap the power button again, and now you will have to wait for the device to power up. It will take some time, maybe up to 5 minutes, but just keep waiting, and that's it. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.